The most powerful open source AI agent platform on the internet is already out there. Hundreds of thousands of people know about it, but almost nobody is actually running it. InstantlyClaw changes that in 60 seconds. Stick with me. This one genuinely matters. Hey, I am Paul James. If you are new here, welcome. I cover AI tools for freelancers and solo operators. My focus is always the same. Find the leverage. Skip the expensive platforms. Build something real with what is available for free or close to it. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you go high level, because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Let me tell you what is actually happening in the AI agent space right now. OpenClaw crossed 140,000 stars on GitHub this year. That is not a small developer experiment. Fast Company covered it. Tom's Hardware covered it. The Register covered it. OpenClaw is now in the mainstream conversation, and it is not alone. On top of OpenClaw, there are now 14 plus AI agent platforms gaining serious momentum. NanoClaw, PicoClaw, ZeroClaw, KimiClaw, Moltworker, Super AGI, Claude Code. The list keeps growing every single month. Each one of these platforms does something genuinely powerful, and every single one has the same core problem. They were built by engineers. They were built for engineers. Here is the gap. To run any one of these platforms, you need Docker installed on your machine. You need terminal access. You need a cloud server or VPS that you manage yourself. You need to locate and configure your own API keys. You need to handle dependencies and updates manually. If anything breaks mid-workflow, you debug it from a command line. 95 out of every 100 people who are genuinely interested in these tools never get them running. They download the repository. They open the documentation, they hit the wall of setup requirements, then they close the laptop. The technology exists, the access does not. InstantlyClaw is what closes that gap for good. I call what InstantlyClaw enables the sovereign stack deployment. Here is the plain English version of what that means. Instead of building an AI system from zero, you land inside a fully structured operational hierarchy. It is already live when you arrive. 9 agents are arranged across 3 distinct layers. A CEO agent sits at the very top. It receives your high-level instruction and delegates downward. 3 manager agents operate below that layer. Each one coordinates a specific type of work within its domain. 5 worker agents run at the base. They handle the actual execution tasks. You give one clear instruction at the top. The work flows down through the chain automatically. Internal delegation is baked into the architecture. That is not just task automation. That is an organizational framework you can wrap a service business around, and it is ready before you even start. Here is where things get wild. InstantlyClaw is a hosted deployment layer. It runs on top of OpenClaw and over a dozen other platforms. You click one button, 60 seconds later, a full AI company is live on cloud infrastructure. 12 months of hosting are included. No server to configure, no Docker installation to fight through, no API keys to track down and manually enter into config files, no debugging sessions that stretch past midnight. The system is fully operational before most people finish reading a setup guide. That is the difference. That barrier that shuts out 95% of interested users simply does not exist here. Most people never realize this part. InstantlyClaw does not just host one platform. It deploys all 14 plus, NanoClaw, PicoClaw, ZeroClaw, KimiClaw, and every other agent framework on the list. You pick your engine, you click deploy, done, one click, one place, full infrastructure in 60 seconds, and when that system comes online, it ships with 15 pre-installed skills ready to work. Gmail is live. Google Docs and Sheets are live, web browsing is live, SEO research is connected, social media monitoring, PDF creation, cron jobs, and webhooks are all included from day one. Your agents can work inside real inboxes. They can write to real documents. They can interact with live websites. Communication happens through Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, Slack, or a web dashboard. You send your AI company an instruction the same way you text a teammate. Stay with me. This next part is where the actual business case comes into focus. I remember when I was living in my brother's garage. I was in college. I was trying to build something from almost nothing. Every tool that required serious technical setup felt like a locked door. The leverage was there on the other side, but there was no way in for someone without that background or budget. InstantlyClaw is that open door for this generation of solo operators. Every workflow this system can execute is a workflow that real businesses pay for, and they are paying right now. Professional offices need front desk automation built and managed. Legal teams need research support that scales without adding headcount. Medical and dental practices need patient outreach and follow-up sequences running reliably. These are active budget conversations happening in every mid-size market. Think about what that means for a solo operator. You do not need to win a contract from a Fortune 500 company. You need to win one local professional office and then another. Each one represents a real recurring need that your InstantlyClaw system is already equipped to handle. The tool handles the workflow. You handle the relationship and the delivery. That split is where the leverage lives for a freelancer operating on their own. A freelancer who shows up with a live deployed agent system occupies a completely different position. Their presentation changes entirely. They are not pitching what the technology might eventually do. They are showing what it is already doing. The client conversation changes entirely. InstantlyClaw gives you that working system. Commercial rights come included at $37 one time. Every output your AI company produces belongs to you. Deliver it, package it, charge for it, the rights are yours from the start. Here's the twist almost nobody in this space talks about openly. Most people trying to sell AI services right now are competing on price. They have nothing proprietary running behind them. Price becomes the only lever. Show up with a deployed 9-agent hierarchy running 15 live skills. Your positioning changes completely. You are no longer in the same conversation. You are not selling potential. You are showing capability. That shift in how a client perceives you is worth more than the tool itself, and it compounds over time the more clients you serve. Now, I want to talk about the actual offer for a second. InstantlyClaw is in a special launch window right now. The pricing is significantly lower than where it will end up permanently. The first link in my description takes you directly to the page. Go look at the options when you get there. And I want to be direct about one thing. If you are serious about building a service business on this, get the bundle. Here is why. The base offer comes with 2 months of LLM API credits included. The bundle extends that to 12 months. That is 10 additional months of runway baked into the price at launch. For anyone planning to run client work through this system, the bundle is the clear choice. It is the strongest value on the page by a significant margin. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me give you a concrete scenario to make this real. Picture a consultant named Terrence. He has been doing content audits for local business owners for about 2 years. He is good at the work, but every deliverable takes him hours to build manually. He hears about OpenClaw. He is genuinely excited. He spends a Saturday trying to set it up on his own machine. He hits the Docker step and gets completely stuck. He finds InstantlyClaw that same weekend. He clicks deploy on Sunday evening. Monday morning, a live agent system is waiting for his first instruction. It researches a client's online presence. It compiles a structured audit document inside Google Docs. It drafts a personalized outreach email through Gmail. None of it required him to write a single word. He runs his next 2 client engagements the same way. Time per project drops significantly. He repackages the service as a monthly retainer. He reaches out to 5 local businesses that week. 3 become monthly clients. He brought in no technical partner. He wrote no code. He just needed the system to be operational and ready to work. The operators who build working infrastructure early do not just get a head start. They earn positioning that is genuinely difficult to displace once it is established. Businesses shopping for AI automation are forming relationships right now. They go with whoever shows up first and shows up with proof. Picture your service line 90 days from now. A live AI company runs behind every client engagement. Not a course, not a concept. A fully deployed system with 9 agents and 15 live skills. Commercial rights on every output it produces. That is what InstantlyClaw puts in your hands from the moment you click deploy. The mainstream wave of AI service adoption is coming faster than most people expect. Make sure you are already operational when it arrives. Here is where I want to leave you. The launch pricing on InstantlyClaw is not permanent. This is a window. The first link in my description takes you straight to the offer. Look at the options when you land there. And I will say it one more time because I mean it. Get the bundle. 12 months of LLM credits. The full agent library across all 14+ platforms. Commercial rights on every output your system produces. At the launch price, nothing in this category comes close. If you have been waiting for the right moment to get started, this is it. Click the first link, get in while the launch pricing is still live.